What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the first video of watching an average guy like me go from zero to hero when it comes to being a day trader. And if you're like me, you have seen all the videos, all the courses, all the chat rooms, you name it, that these gurus pump out saying that they can make you a profitable day trader. But if you ask professionals that are in the trading space, in the finance space, investing space, whatever it is, 99 out of 100 of them are going to tell you that these guys are full of shit. And I want to test the theory because, well, that's what YouTube is for, and that's why I think this can be fun. So I want to give you the gist of what I'm going to be doing in this video going forward and what you can expect content-wise from me. So a little bit of background on myself. I'm a full-time real estate agent here in Tampa, Florida. That is my main source of income. I don't have any other investment sources, nothing like that. So sales is my game. I make 100% commission. So I'm comfortable with what trading the markets essentially entails in terms of being paid, risk to reward, etc. So that's my full-time income. The goal of this channel is to document my process from essentially being an uneducated day trader to what could potentially be a profitable trader. And I want to document everything in between. I'm going to be taking all of the big gurus courses and doing reviews of them right here as well, and applying that knowledge to the actual trading system. I'm going to be using Thinkorswim to see if it actually makes sense. I have no affiliate courses. I have no affiliate links, nothing like that to sell you at this time. If those opportunities come up in the future, maybe, but I'm sure I'll let you know about those too. So the main goal here is to see if these gurus are full of shit or if you can actually become a profitable day trader by learning their systems and through their education. That leads me to introducing the first course that I'm going to be reviewing. But also, if you have any courses or gurus you want me to look into, please drop those in the comments because I'm happy to spend my own money to buy their courses and to tell you if it's worth it. So it's going to be a little bit of a hybrid video series going forward, documenting my journey as a trader from their education, but also letting you guys know if their courses are worth it by way of course review. So that's what we're going to do here. But enough of that. Guys, I'm going to flip you around to my webcam, shoot you onto my screen here, and we're going to talk about the very first course we're going to take to see if this works. Starting with Investitrade. And I've actually been watching Carmine's videos for quite some time now. I've never applied his trading method, but I know that it is very popular in terms of supply and demand and using that to pretty much determine where the trade is going to go or try his best to determine where the trade is going to go, and using price and volume to help bring that scope into your trade. So I want to test his stuff first. I've been dying to try this course. He posted a lot of reviews from his Discord channel where he says that people are having great results and all this stuff. So we are simply going to, we're going to find out. And that's going to be the fun part about this. So I'm going to be taking his, I forgot which the name of the course is. I'm going to disappear here. But I think it's his A to Z course. And that's what we're going to end up taking. So take pretty much everything that he's offering to trade, and I think his options trading course is included in that as well. So it's going to be fun to see what his what his course is all about, because a lot of people have said that it's got decent value in it and people are making decent trades. People actually post their trades and essentially have good results from it. So as you can see, he has two courses, his A to Z trading course and his supply and demand course. This was not given to me. I'm going to pay for this out of my own money, and I have no affiliate course or anything to share with you. So just throwing that out there as a disclaimer, all my reviews here are going to be unbiased. So his A to Z trading course includes his full supply and demand course, which is what his YouTube channel is essentially built off of, and how he builds those supply and demand zones and uses those to determine what his trades are going to be. And then he has a 28-hour A to Z course covering everything, which if I had to guess is just a bunch of unlisted YouTube videos of, further education. We'll see. And then he has Technical Analysis 101. I know technical analysis can kind of go both ways. A lot of people say technical analysis is bullshit. It doesn't matter. And then other people swear by it. We're going to find out about that too. I'm going to be doing a lot of research to see if it holds a lot of weight from more institutional style traders, or if maybe technical analysis is only meant for the retail side. We'll see. Trading psychology and risk management. The psychology thing I pretty much get, although I'll just look into that anyways. Risk management will be interesting, mainly because, got to learn where to take your profits, where to cut your losses, etc. So he has his full futures trading course and his options trading course, which is included there as well. And, his supply and demand and his member only chat room, which I'm actually really interested to see. Now, I think it's him and his boy Dylan. They kind of run the show together. I don't know what their educational backgrounds are, where they traded, where they began trading. I don't know any of that. Don't really care. Just kind of want to see where this goes. And clearly they know more than I do, so I'm willing to take that at face value. So that's what we're going to jump into. And then I know his supply and demand course is included in this, which is going to be essentially what his channel is built off of. So that's going to be interesting. So I'm curious to break down the chat room as well, just to see if there's any sort of, hey, this is what my watch list is, and then, do the old rug pull stuff. We'll see if that happens. Now, mind you, I could be completely wrong. I'm going into this completely optimistic, but also very skeptical, because I think this is going to be a fun beta test to see how the market goes in terms of buying these courses and having it turn into something, profitable for me. So we'll see how that goes. But actually, let's read his About Me section of things. So he started his trading career during his freshman year of college. Don't know what he went to school for. During this time, Carmine found consistency in trading after years of trial and error. With Investitrade, Carmine has created a simplified approach to trading that everyday person can use to understand and learn to trade from his mistakes and blah, blah, blah. His goal is to teach and mentor many self-driven, passionate traders. Okay, so very just generic there. It is what it is. So, yeah, we're going to find out. That pretty much, so let's take a look at some of these testimonials and see how this stuff works. I mean, right from the jump, I already don't like this. All the testimonials are from 2020. But to be fair, if you're on his Instagram and if you're on his YouTube, he posts, wins each day. So he just needs to update this part of the website. So my man, Carmine, please update this. But, look, this dude cleared a $900 trade, like a $900 day, just from what would it be potentially using this guy's, my man's strategies here. So Discord chat proves to be valuable somewhat. This dude's in here 2 weeks already. Can say this group is amazing. Never wanted to buy any course or chat room. Blah, blah, blah. So one thing that I've come to determine with these style channels and people who sell courses accordingly, they make all their money from their courses, not actually trading, and their YouTube videos just become redundant. But since they get good views, it's basically their sales funnel for their course, which I guess you could say I went through. But this is all to bring value to you guys and hopefully learn how to be a trader myself, because it'd be a pretty sweet world to make a few $100s a day, a few $1,000s a day, whatever the case is, and just go play golf and go to the gym for the rest of the day. I don't know. All I'm saying is, if I can do this and replace what is my real estate income, which varies anywhere from 10 to 20 grand a month, selling real estate here in Tampa, if I can match or replace that and never have to see a client in the future, let's say, it's a pretty good win. So we're going to find out. So that is it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and start going through this course. I'm going to be checking back in with future videos on this, learning how to trade as well, mapping out these supply demand zones and everything else. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel, comment down below with any other YouTubers that you think I should try their courses, what you're hoping to see from me, what value you want me to bring to you guys, and I'll do everything I can to do so. So thanks for joining me on this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.